Welcome back to Code and Silicon, your journey to the fascinating world of computer programming. In this session, we'll explore the native language of computers, machine code, and its human-readable cousin, assembly language. Ever wondered what language your computer actually speaks? It's not English, Python, or Java. Deep down, at the core of the processor, it's all about ones and zeros. This is machine code, the true native tongue of every computer. Computers process information in a never-ending cycle: fetch, decode, execute. But what do the instructions look like? They're not English nor math equations. They're binary, the simplest possible format. Imagine trying to write a program using only ones and zeros. It would be incredibly difficult, right? That's why we have assembly language. Think of it as a human-friendly translator for machine code. Machine code is the true language of the microprocessor. It's a stream of ones and zeros that the CPU understands. But, as humans, it's hard for us to read and write. Instead of a long string of binary, we use simple commands like load, add, or store. Each of these commands corresponds directly to a specific action the CPU can perform. An assembler then translates these simple words into the complex, binary machine code that the processor understands. That's where assembly language comes in. A simple, human-readable language that's translated directly into machine code is the first bridge between humans and hardware. Every assembly command corresponds directly to a CPU action. It's translated into machine code, fetched, and executed by the CPU. Understanding machine code and assembly language helps us appreciate how high-level languages like Python get translated into simple commands. So, from assembly to machine code, and then through the fetch, decode, and execute cycle, that's how our instructions come to life. Understanding this foundation is key to grasping how all programming really works. Thanks for watching. Join us on Session 6, the translator, compilers, and operating systems, as we continue to explore this fascinating process.